Hi, little chef. I've seen everyone making these gochujang cookies, and I wanted to give it a go, obviously. However, as we all probably know, I hate measuring and following recipes. So I'm gonna make the gochujang cookies my way, without measuring or looking at a recipe. Let's do it. Now we need to make this like gochujang caramel paste. So I'm using Roland Foods gochujang. Check the link in my bio to get it. It's on Amazon, so it's super easy to get. Just like a spoonful of that. You wanna make sure you're using high quality gochujang. That's tasty. Okay, whew, spicy. Oh my gosh, I got sugar spilling everywhere. Now I've seen people make this paste with brown sugar, but I don't have brown sugar. What's new? But remember, little chefs, what I taught you. For brown sugar, all you need is white sugar and some molasses. That's good, okay. I don't have softened butter, so we're doing it in the microwave. Shh, don't tell anyone. You gotta watch it. Feel the butter, be the butter. It's gonna be okay. Don't melt it. I hate baking. Did that break? I've made enough cookies in my lifetime where I have an idea of what goes into it. So we're just eyeballing. Every single cookie starts this way. Creaming together butter and sugar. Okay, now goes in an egg. Now we have to put it in our dry ingredients. You need some kind of flour. Looks good. I'll throw in some baking powder and baking soda. I only found baking powder, so we're just gonna go with baking powder. Sure. I know you're not supposed to use salted butter in baking, but I did, so I don't think I need any more salt. I saw people putting in like cinnamon, but I thought that was kind of like bland, so I wanted to add some different spices. Chinese 5-spice and cardamom. The 5-spice would be a bold move, like very bold. I'm tempted to just do the cardamom. Little lemony, earthy. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this paste is kind of just dollop it into my dough and then swirl it in. Just a little mix. I forgot to turn on my oven. 375? Does that sound good? Let's portion these babies out. Yeah. So I just ran out of parchment paper. So this is what we're working with. And we're gonna make it work, little chef. Oh yeah. I don't know how much these are gonna spread because according to my calculations, I did not measure. We got that going for us. We got 8 cookies out of that. And to my surprise, they actually look like cookies. Way to go, little chef. Let's pop these guys in the oven. Is the oven at temperature yet? No, but this little chef does what she wants. Okay, little chef, I think it's done. They don't look too bad. This one is speaking to me. It looks really pretty. Ah! Wow. They're really good. I was not expecting that. Try this cookie first. Is it sweet? I didn't measure anything. What do you think? Don't look at it like that.